What's up, Tech Nation? So today we are looking at this little tiny device right here. The little button. It's a remote control for your iPad or your iPhone. It's called the Zodiac. It was only a couple bucks and it's well worth it if you're taking snapshots, if you're doing video, if you vlog a lot. You're going to want to get one of these, okay? Has an on-off switch right on the side. It takes a watch battery in the back. And all you do is pair it to your device, and I'll show you how it works. All right, well, there's my iPad right here. As you can see, I'm on video. And all I gotta do is press this button, and it starts recording. And then when I'm done recording, press the button again. You can go as far as 30 feet with this little bad boy. This Zodiac is amazing. I use it all the time when I'm filming. If you're filming a lot and you don't want to be touching the screen, or the screen keeps locking up on you or whatever, you do have to have your phone unlocked and open and ready to go like this to use the remote control. But it's a handy tool. You don't have to keep running back and forth. Let's go to photo real quick. All right, if you're in photo mode, you press the button and it takes a picture. That's it. So whatever mode you're in, it will control it. Go back to video. Where's video? Get back to video, which I do all the time. You click it, and it records video. It's called the Zodiac. It's a handy little device, and I think everybody who's working on YouTube or having fun on YouTube should have one of these. It turns on just like that. I just pressed it to start this recording, and I can be back away from the phone up to 30 feet. And use this little device. It's great if you work on YouTube or you play on YouTube or you're a videographer that uses your iPhone or your iPad. As far as I know, this is only for iOS. So grab yourself one of these. There'll be a link down below if you want one. I use this thing all the time. You could start your video right from this button, and you could stop your video just like that.